Hi, I'm Case, and I'm going to describe our 4-step guide to using ReviewIQ. How can researchers access ReviewIQ? Researchers can access ReviewIQ by logging into CrowdHelix, navigating to the Resources tab, and clicking on ReviewIQ in the drop-down menu. Researchers can either seek feedback on specific sections of their proposals by selecting the Section Feedback tab, or receive concise answers to formal questions about MSCA submission requirements by selecting the General Writing Advice tab. How can researchers receive feedback on their proposals? To receive proposal feedback, researchers must first select ReviewIQ's Section Feedback mode. This mode allows users to paste sections of their proposals into ReviewIQ for detailed analysis. Users must select the draft part, draft section, and subsection from the drop-down menu before pasting their content into ReviewIQ. Researchers can also pose follow-up questions about the feedback they received by typing them into ReviewIQ. How can researchers receive general writing advice? ReviewIQ's General Writing Advice mode provides clear, concise answers to formal questions about MSCA submission requirements, template usage, formatting procedures, and the structural differences between parts B1 and B2. Simply type your question into ReviewIQ to receive an accurate, helpful response. How can researchers delete their session histories, and how secure is ReviewIQ? Session histories are automatically deleted after 4 weeks of inactivity. Users can also manually delete their data at any time by clicking Clear Session. ReviewIQ is built with the highest standards of data security, hosted on GDPR-compliant Google Cloud infrastructure within the EEA. All user data is encrypted, strictly confidential, and never used to train AI models. ReviewIQ, built for researchers who want to focus on innovation, not administration.